Now we will take you straight to Sydney, where Gladys Berejiklian is providing the COVID update.
Father's Day, and no doubt next year's Father's Day will be celebrated much differently to today, and I think we all appreciate that very much. Pleasingly, New South Wales has now officially reached 40% fully vaccinated in terms of our population. That's an incredible milestone to have reached it, given where we were just a few months ago. So thank you to everybody who's come forward and get vaccinated, and we have 73% of our population with a first dose. Once we hit 80% first doses, we'll have confidence that we're going to get to the target of 80% double dose. Not very many places around the world have done that, and I'm convinced we'll do that here in New South Wales. To 8 p.m. last night, we had 1,485 cases of COVID in the community, and regrettably, we lost 3 lives due to COVID or patients with COVID in southwestern and western Sydney, and we extend our deepest condolences to their families and loved ones. Today is a special call out to everybody in those local government areas of concern. If you're an emergency services worker, any other authorised worker, come forward and get vaccinated. There's special accommodation being made for you, and we're really keen to see those vaccination rates go up, especially in those areas where we know there's a high viral load. But we should also remember that whilst we're anticipating the peak of cases to occur in the next couple of weeks, we can definitely foreshadow that once we hit that 70% double dose, that life will feel much better in New South Wales. Those of us that are vaccinated fully will be able to participate in things that we've missed out on for a long time. So thank you to everybody for following the health orders, for getting vaccinated, and most importantly, for working with us as we head towards living with COVID. Dr. McAnulty will now give his update, and then we'll take questions. Thank you.
Thanks, Premier, and good morning, everyone. Just give you an update of the numbers from yesterday. There were 1,485 locally acquired cases of COVID in the 24 hours to 8 o'clock last night, and 2 overseas acquired cases in that period. There were 115,495 tests reported at 8 o'clock last night, compared to the previous day's total of 131,174. There are currently 1,030 people admitted to hospital, with 175 in intensive care, 72 of whom require ventilation. Sadly, as the Premier mentioned, there are reporting 3 deaths today of people with COVID. A woman in her 50s from Western Sydney who died at Blacktown Hospital. She received 1 dose of COVID vaccine and, as we understand, had no comorbidities. A woman in her 70s from southwestern Sydney who died at Campbelltown Hospital. She was not vaccinated and had significant comorbidities. And a man in his 70s from southwestern Sydney who died at Liverpool Hospital. He was not vaccinated and also had significant comorbidities. We extend our deep condolences to the families and friends of these 3 people.